Today's project, reinventing the privacy screen. This privacy hedge works. The problem is it works too well. It's too big for this space. All the light is blocked. It feels like you're in the woods in here. So these have seen a better day, as have these 20-something-year-old shutters. So in what I'm calling Project Brighten Up, we're going to lose the shrubs, we're going to lose the shutters, we're going to let some light in, and we're going to add a wood privacy screen to make outdoor living really, really bright. All right, time to get to work. If I was going to lie to myself and pretend that I could get these stumps out of the ground without a major fight, this is where I'd leave them. So I have some leverage to pull on them with my tractor, pull the roots up, chop them, saw them, whatever. But I'm not going to do that. Instead, to keep the budget under $10 million, I'm just going to cut them to the ground with the chainsaw. Maybe this time the saw will start. The wind is honking out here, so I'm just going to make this a little walk and talk to show you what's going on. First of all, hats off to 811 DigSafe for marking the entire trajectory of the gas line. Our privacy screen goes right along it, and I'll show you what all these pieces of wood are for. This one is so that I can register a straight line parallel with the house, so that I can then register this one 68 inches from my pavers over here, and similarly over here. My panels are 4 feet wide, and they register off the center of those pavers, which is the center of the entire porch. I just stepped on my stuff. Crap. So with this in line, and with my centers matching up, I've now marked post hole 1 and post hole 2. Once I have those in, I'll mark that post hole and that post hole, and we'll stay well clear, shout out 811 DigSafe, of this gas line. Here goes! Sticky dirt. This piece of strapping right here is 69 inches from a straight line over there on the patio, and it's the back of each of my posts. So, may not look classy, but I'm using what I got. This way, it'll stay straight. I can get the posts set and positioned plumb just the way I want them, and we'll pour concrete after that. a jig registers the ends even, so I don't even have to measure anything. Landscapers, but it's hard to tell the difference sometimes, and it's kind of fun. And that, people of the Good Ship Curb Appeal, that's all she wrote. I'll see you on the next one.